Today is March 2nd, and what do we have? You have all of the ones that you opened so far for your birthday countdown.
Look how many I have.
I know, from Ryan's World Road Trip.
From Ryan's Stay.
Yes, and it's exclusively available on Amazon.
I don't even know how many I have, actually.
All right, so today you're just going to open one. Which one are you going to open from these two packets?
Let me choose.
Okay.
I have a feeling I want to open this one.
Okay.
I want to open this pack.
Okay, go.
Okay, what did I get?
Mm-hmm.
So what should I get? Which package should I open? I'm sure. Can I have the scissors so I can poke a hole in it, please?
Yes, you may. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good job.
Take the scissors as usual.
Yep.
What is this one?
What is it?
It's another Gus.
It's another Gus.
How many Gus's do I have over here?
Gus is a Ryan's World friend.
I knew I was going to get a Gus.
Alrighty.
Let's just take him out of the bag so we can see what he represents.
What state or area? Ooh. Okay, hold them up for the Pacers to see. Cute.
Okay.
Which one is that?
Can I find it?
Let me see.
Okay, let's not get this wrong. Let's not get this wrong. Wait, what is this?
Which one is he?
Wait, what t-shirt
Do
is
we see him, Pacers? Oh,
There he is.
there he is. Louisiana.
Wait.
Down south.
No, like, ooh, I'm gonna be the dad.
Alrighty, Pacie. We're getting closer and closer to your birthday.
Can I just ask you one question?
Sure.
How many toys I have?
I know, that's so cute.
Look, can I just tell you something? This is the only gill on the
Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye. Just like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. Ryan, stay now.